Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of repairing the back glass of your iPhone 15. For this repair, you will need a suction cup, precision screwdrivers, adhesive, and a replacement back glass. Before we begin, make sure to wear safety gloves and goggles. Handle your iPhone gently to avoid any further damage. Let's start by using the suction cup to gently lift the back glass. Be careful to avoid damaging the internal components. Once the back glass is off, clean the surface thoroughly to ensure a good bond for the new glass. Now, apply a thin layer of adhesive to the edges of the back glass area. A steady hand is essential here. Carefully position the new back glass and press it down firmly. Ensure it aligns perfectly with the body of the phone. After installation, power on your iPhone to check that everything is functioning properly. This includes the display and any sensors. Once you confirm everything is working, look over your work for any final adjustments or touch-ups. Congratulations! You've successfully repaired your iPhone 15 back glass. Remember these tips for future repairs.